Welcome home to Abberly Green Apartment Homes by HHHunt Apartment Living. We are proud to offer you a stunning collection of apartments in Mooresville, North Carolina. Designed with your lifestyle in mind, Abberly Green offers luxury apartment homes and resort-inspired amenities. You can enjoy a gorgeous swimming pool with sun deck, a large fitness center with a yoga studio, and an interactive clubroom with billiards and vintage gaming. If you need to get a little work done, check out the business center. It's perfect for sending some last-minute emails. These and many other perks will make your apartment living experience amazing. As you step inside your new 1, 2, or 3-bedroom apartment, you will find yourself immediately at home. Our apartments feature stunning interiors with expansive windows, spacious walk-in closets, chef-inspired kitchens, and a wide variety of floor plans. The open concept floor plan allows for entertaining, whether that's inside or out. You also have the conveniences of on-site laundry and ADT smart technology. Can't you see yourself living here? You can also opt for a detached garage and on-site storage, while some layouts offer private entries. To make things as simple as possible, your monthly rent includes cable, internet, and valet trash. Just minutes away from Lake Norman, close to Charlotte, and with easy access to I-77, our community makes any commute feel like a breeze. Great amenities, outstanding homes, and a management company backed by over 5 decades of experience. Find out everything else about our apartments in Mooresville, North Carolina, and schedule a tour at liveabberlygreen.com. We can't wait to meet you and show why our community is the perfect home for you. Abberly Green Apartment Homes by HHHunt is a part of HHHunt. To learn more, visit HHHunt.com.